some of you are apparently processing your visa right now to the United States, and I think you find it hard, frustrating, and confusing at the same time. Actually, we've been there with my husband, and it's really exhausting and it's really draining. I could recommend you the best visa assistance, which is the Filipino visa. Filipino visa helps a lot of couples already, specifically to the United States. It's less hassle. They would consult you. They will guide you. They will definitely guide you step by step. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in my bio, which is the Ramis Gliders 21 link 3. As you can see on the screen, I put the circle there, and just go for it. Click now.